Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can create Apple Pay account on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now you want to create Apple Pay account, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can create Apple Pay account on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 18. So first of all, here you will have to open settings on your iPhone device, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you will need to again open settings, then here you will have to scroll down, and here you will need to tap on screen time. So after that, you will see this type interface. Here you will need to scroll down, then here you need to tap on content and privacy restrictions, then here you'll have to disable this toggle from here. Then after that, here you'll have to close this tab. Then after that, here you'll need to open Apple Pay app on your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will see this tab interface here. So after that, you will see this tab interface here. You need to tap on plus icon. So after that, here you will see this tab interface here. You'll have to scroll it up, and here you'll have to select debit or credit card. Tap on this. Then after that, here you will see this tab interface here. You need to tap on continue. So after that, here you will have to simply scan your debit or credit card, or you can enter manually. Tap on enter card details. So after that, here you'll need to enter your name. Then here you'll have to enter your debit or credit card numbers, and you can also scan your card from here. So after that, your Apple Pay will be created on your iPhone device. So in this way, you can create Apple Pay account on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 18. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.